All right, kiddos, we are back. Part two of our Jeopardy reading review. So where we left off is I had clicked on fact and opinion for 400. So which statement is a fact? A, sometimes the moon looks like a face when it is full. B, it would be fun to travel to the moon. C, it takes about 27 days for the moon to travel around the earth. So A, B, or C, which one is a fact? Remember to pause this if you need time to write your answer down. The answer is C. It takes 27 days for the moon to travel around the earth. That would be a fact. All right, let's see, text features for 500. Identify the text feature displayed below. So inside of this box, so it looks like we have some different names of something: bones, muscles, skin, brains, nerves, and then page 3, page 17, and different page numbers. So is this A, a table of contents, B, an index, C, a glossary, or D, guide words? What is this text feature called? It is a table of contents because it is showing you where to find the different parts of the book with the page numbers. All right, let's see. Let's do main idea for 400. What is the main idea of this text? Bailey had been waiting patiently in line for Magic Mountain at Disney World for 2 hours. Just a few more minutes and it would be his turn to ride. Just when it was his turn to hop on the ride operator told him that there was a problem with the ride and it was shutting down for the day. He couldn't believe he had wasted 2 hours waiting in line to ride a ride that wasn't working. So think about, what is the main idea of this text? What is this mostly about? Go ahead and pause if you need time to write your answer down. Right, our answer: Bailey is disappointed because he spent 2 hours waiting for a ride that ended up being shut down. Would be our main idea, what this is mostly about. Right, back to home. Let's see. Let's do author's purpose for 200. What does it mean for the author's purpose to be to inform? So why might an author write something to inform, or what does it mean for it to be written to inform you? The author's giving you facts and information about a certain topic. So the author's giving you facts and information about a certain topic when they write it to inform you. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead. We'll wrap up cause and effect for 100. What is the cause? What is the effect? So if you take a look at this picture, what is a cause that could match this picture, and what is an effect that would match this picture? A cause could be the coffee spill. The effect could be the papers were all wet. So again, this is an example. You might have something a little bit different as long as this cause and effect relationship matches the picture that we just were looking at. So if it's close or the same as mine, that will work. And it has to make sense with our picture. All right, let's see. Let's do text features for 200. Identify the text feature displayed below. So it says percent of Americans with heart disease. And then we have a picture right there. So is this A, a chart, B, a map, C, a diagram, or D, a cutaway? Right, A, B, or C, or D for your answer? Our answer would be B, a map. It's a map of the United States showing heart disease. All right. Ooh. We need to go back. There we go. Okay, we'll do fact and opinion for 200. What does it mean for something to be an opinion? So what does it mean for something to be an opinion? We know that a fact is something that can be proven true. What does it mean for something to be an opinion? Go ahead and pause to write down your answer so you have plenty of time. I don't want to rush you. It is something someone thinks, feels, or believes. So an opinion is something someone thinks, feels, or believes. If you got that right, go ahead and give yourself those 200 points. All right, we have 2 left. Let's save the 500 for last. Let's go ahead and go for author's purpose for 400. What is the author's purpose? Vote for me for school president. I promise that I will be the best fit. If I become president, I will try to give more options in the school vending machines. When I become president, I will make sure we have more brain breaks during the day. So is this written to persuade, inform, or entertain you? P, I, or E? Our answer is the author's purpose is to persuade. This person's trying to persuade you to vote for them. All right, the last one, a whopping 500 points. So main idea for 500. Okay. Beth tapped on the window next to her front door. She cupped her hands around her eyes and tried to peer inside to get someone's attention. All she could see were her house keys sitting right where she had left them on the kitchen counter. Nobody came to the door, so she checked to see if the back door was unlocked. No luck. Her fingers were getting cold and she was starting to shiver. She took off her backpack and tried climbing up the lowest window, but she couldn't reach it. She was sure she would be stuck outside for hours. So we want to know, what is the main idea of this text? All right, let's see our answer. The main idea would be that Beth is locked out of her house and can't find a way to get in. So if you have something similar to this, if your main idea somewhat matches my answer, then it would be correct for 500 points. All right, we have done all of the questions, so now is your chance to apply some math skills and go ahead and add up all of your points and see how you did. After you're done with that, you need to make sure you take a picture of your recording sheet or your scratch paper, wherever you wrote your answers, and send that to your teacher. You can send that to them on Google Classroom, or you can send that to them in an email. All right, thanks for playing, kiddos.